बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाजरीन, आप यूट्यूब चैनल देख रहे हैं। मैं मोहम्मद जुनैद शफ़क़त, प्रिंसिपल द स्किल्स शॉर्ट हैंड एंड कंप्यूटर कॉलेज हरबंसपुरा लाहौर। न्यूज़पेपर पैराग्राफ 3 डिक्टेशन स्टार्ट। Karachi / Lahore rowing back his remarks about the role of former spy master Lieutenant General retired Faiz Hameed in the no trust vote against the PTI government, Jamiat Ulama-e Islam Fazl Chief Fazlur Rahman on Friday said he had mistakenly uttered the name of the general along with then Army Chief General Qamar Javed Bajwa in a TV interview on Thursday evening, the Maulana said the Bajwa and Faiz were in contact with all political parties regarding the no confidence motion and they told us the way of going about it. He claimed that he was not in favor of the no confidence move but he had to support it, otherwise they would have blamed him for saving Imran Khan's government. Fazl's remarks had triggered a flurry in political circles, with his former allies in the PDM-led government as well as the PTI both passing comments on the allegations. PMLN leader and a confidant of Shehbaz Sharif, Malik Ahmad Awan, disputed the Maulana's claim, challenging him to prove his statement. General retired Faiz had been replaced as the ISI Director General by Lieutenant General Nadeem Ahmad Anjum and posted as Peshawar Corps Commander months before the PTI government was ousted. Paragraph questioned about the matter and the alleged responses from the generals in an interview on GTV program, Maulana acknowledged, it is correct to this extent that I mistakenly uttered General Faiz's name and he was not involved in the no confidence incidents. There is no doubt. However, he said, he considered the former generals and their whole regime responsible for the alleged rigging in the 2018 general elections, according to Dan.com. Instead of further debate, this should be relegated to history, he added. He also said when the two generals were alerted about political, economic and defense instability during the PTI government, they began approaching politicians to stabilize the situation. He explained the establishment had always had a role in the country's politics, a practice he said should end. Regarding the challenge to make the allegations under oath, Maulana said it was a waste of time to discuss oaths, especially when there is no respect for their own oaths among the military. Is there respect for the oath in their ranks in the army among generals? Don't they take an oath of not interfering in politics when they are commissioned? Question mark. Don't they? Now they are interfering, comma, have always done so and keep breaking their oath? Question mark. The JUIF chief asked, full stop. Paragraph. He said that on March 26, 2022, comma, the PDM parties were given the option that Imran could tender his resignation if they dropped the no confidence motion against him, full stop. He said even before he joined the meeting, comma, other participants had given their answer that the time for Imran's resignation had passed, full stop. Asked about his first purported meeting with retired General Bajwa or other military officials on the no trust move, comma, the JUIF chief said he had many private meetings, full stop. Earlier, while addressing a press conference at the PMLN provincial headquarters, Model Town, here on Friday, comma, Malik Ahmed Khan said the then Army Chief General Bajwa had advised the then opposition PDM not to bring a vote of no trust against then Premier Imran Khan, full stop. Stop writing.
अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब लाजमी करें और फीडबैक भी दें।